Invest your precious time and energy in building digital products that will not only help you create recognition in your market, but also help you create multiple sources of income. As you know, by each and every passing day, the competition is increasing multifold. Businesses are now going at national levels and even at a global level. If you are a small entrepreneur or a teacher or a coach or a consultant, then you might be facing a similar challenge. And it is really important to overcome these challenges, at the same time create a more stable revenue sources for yourself. In this video, I'll be talking about how the big global companies are using digital products as a medium to scale and at the same time create revenue around it, and how you can capitalize their platforms to create marketability of your products and services and create a parallel source of income. Isn't it awesome? Great. Let's jump in this video. So as you can see, in the key bottlenecks of consulting industries are competition and growth. When I talk about competition, the key thing is that you be able to create an authority in the market, because there are so many players in the market, and in this market you need to stand out, and people not only know you in terms of what you do, but also trust you in the matter of what you're doing. And second important bottleneck that every consultant face is growth. Increase in revenue is the ultimate objective of any entrepreneurs. And to increase the revenues, it is also important to add those kind of products and services that are long term and give you a cost effective and at the same time are scalable. And digital products are the best products in that manners. In the going on video, I'll be talking about how you can utilize the digital products and what are digital products and what are the case studies that is going on for the big companies, through which you can take important insights and start using it in your business. So before I start and take this thing forward, there are a few insights that I want to give in terms of digital products. Audiobooks are like 3.5 billion market globally. Revenue in ebook segment is projected to reach 193 million US dollars in 2021. And Indian e-learning, that is the online course, is a part of it. Market size is expected to have 8x growth to reach around 1.96 billion by 2021. So what I'm trying to say over here is that these industries, the e-learning industries, the audiobook industries, and the digital product industry is moving at a very fast growth rate. And it is time that you start capitalizing these industries. And how you do it is something that you learn in this video. So what is a digital product? Digital product is something which you can you sell online. And when I say sell online, it should be have two basic elements. First is marketability. Every digital product might be sellable, but it will not fetch you revenue until unless it's marketable. Any kind of digital products that you might make should give a value to its prospective customer. If it's not giving a value, or if it's not solving a specific problem, then it's completely waste. That digital product will not really help you move ahead in this market. And second, any kind of product which is downloadable can be classified under the field of digital products. Now, few formats that digital product uses are like, it can be in the form of video files, audio files, image files, and e-files. So e-files could be like any PDF documents, cheat sheets, or a word sheet, any kind of formats. The top products that comes categorizes under digital products are online courses, ebooks, audiobooks, movies, songs, and softwares. These are the key digital products which are going on, which are creating high industrial trends. So all the stats that I went you through in the starting about the audiobooks, ebooks, and the online courses, these are the market, and it has like multiple potential. Like say for example movies, I'm sure Prime, Amazon Prime, and I'm sure you're aware of Amazon Prime and Netflix. So these are the platforms who are collecting movies, songs, and other things so that they can eventually sell it. And you see how companies like Amazon are so many aggressively into it. Like for example, Amazon is into the field of ebooks. They are into audiobooks. They are into movies. They are into songs. So they are going everywhere in each and every digital product which can be sold online. And that's their biggest secret. So they are not just a platform who are migrating in different products, but also they are also focusing on building digital products. Similarly, you can capitalize these platforms by creating a similar digital product. The top niches which are there in the digital product segments are education. Education is the most upcoming and the top growth industry which is coming up in the digital product industry. Entertainment. Entertainment could be like movies, songs, documentaries, videos. These all form part of entertainment. Business growth. So all those softwares, all those solutions, all the training materials that are built for development of business growth, sales, productivity, technology, that all comes under business growth niche. And lastly, the career growth niche. So career growth niche is specifically for all those learning materials and digital products which revolves around skill development or academic development, or it could be like hard skill development, like for example French language course, English course, Excel. All these comes under career growth segment. So this is what it is meant by digital product. Now you must have a fair idea of what is a digital product, what are the formats of digital products, what are the top digital products that you can start making right away, and what are the niche that you need to cater to, because these are the four niche that are like very marketable, and if you are into existing fields, you can really make a lot of money around it. Isn't that awesome? Great. If you have any questions around it, feel free to put a comment down there, and I'll personally look into these comments and I'll answer those comments accordingly. Great. Okay. Moving forward, let me talk about what are the big industries players are doing. So like I'll be taking the case studies of two big players, which is Google and Amazon. As you can see, Google mission is to organize the world information and make it universally accessible and useful. So that's like the mission of Google. And to do so, Google is collecting a lot of amount of digital data. Like they are indexing more and more websites each year. They are indexing more and more web contents each and every year. Every year they are indexing more videos. Recently they acquired YouTube, and now through YouTube they are indexing lot and lot of videos each and every year. They are indexing audios like They are indexing, like recently they have launched podcast, Google Podcast, an application through which you can create a audio content, and it could be around any specific niche. Scanning more books. So one of the key element of Google is that they want to scan and digitalize each and every book that is available on this earth. Imagine. And lastly, they want to cover all the streets into a digital map. So what I want to bring out over here is, I want to give you an insight through this case study that companies like Google's are moving towards digitalizations. And at your level also, it is very important that you start digitalizing. And the mediums that you can use to digitalize is either you can create your online courses, or you can create an ebook, or you can create audiobooks, or you can create videos which have a specific entertainment purpose, and so on. Or you can work around developing softwares. So basis your niche and basic your expertise, start making your own digital contents. It is really important. Second case study is of Amazon. So Amazon vision is to be the earth's most customer centric company, where customer can find and discover anything they might want to buy online. Now this is a very powerful vision, and they are moving to that mark. With each and every day they are passing into digitalization, and how they are doing it, they are enrolling more and more ebooks, and they are enrolling more and more audiobooks. So you know that Amazon are Amazon are even into videos and movies. So that is something which is still there. Enroll movies and video contents. So as you can see, Amazon is going into like a full-fledged industry who will provide a market space for digital products. And if you have a digital product which you want to sell, these platforms are readily available, who will give you access to like millions of people, and you can capitalize these industries. So what I want to put in over here is that these industries, these global players are moving towards digitalization, and you can be a part of it. These platforms you can easily use and start building your digital empire, and through that not only you will be able to penetrate into your niche segment, create an authority which stand competition, but also be able to create a new source of income. Isn't that awesome? Great. So let me tell you, why should you build your digital product starting today? I'll give you three main reasons. First reason is that it's less expensive to create. Yes, as you know, nowadays you have an access to technology like any time before. You have got your smartphones, you have got your laptops, you have got your tablets, you have like cameras, and you can start creating this digital content which could be of really high quality. Your smartphones carry that power to create high quality videos and pictures, and this is something which can be created in a very short interval of time. So if you are already an expert and you have a knowledge which can be marketable, then you can start creating your videos which can be bundled in form of an online course, or you can start creating your own ebook or an audiobook, and this will really help you to boost the entire segment. You can start creating a different segment of revenue for yourself. Second reason that I want to give you is that they are very easy to manage. When I talk about manage, as you know that these digital products do not need any physical space. They can sit in your laptop or on an online platform wherever it is. So it is not, unlike your physical goods and goods, you need not have a go down or a storage space for these kinds of products. And it's readily available and accessible at any point of time. Second, it becomes a lifelong asset. So a video, once you create and upload on a digital platform, it becomes a lifelong product. And even while you are sleeping or you are eating, they will still be there and people can watch it anytime without you being physically present. That's the beauty of this digital products. And lastly, it does not loses its value. So whatever content that you're creating, it will always have the same level of value through which you created it, and it will never lose it, no matter how many people uses it. If millions people use it, doesn't it will still give the same level of value. But it could lose. There's one negative part of it. It might lose the relevance of the product. Like if the product is a very short-term product and its value is of very short term, then the relevance of the product might lose. Okay, and the third important reason that I want to give you is that it is very easy to market them. As you can see, they are like ready platforms for the digital products. Like you have YouTube for videos, you have Audible for audiobooks, you have Amazon for ebooks, you have Coursera for online courses, and many more. So I've just listed down few platforms. There are many such platforms who give ready accessibility to it. And the moment you upload your digital products over here, you give access to millions of people at a time, and it's really awesome. This kind of scalability was not available earlier, and it's really important that you start building this uh, digital products. And lastly, through these platforms you will be able to create a passive income source for yourself also. Isn't that awesome? Great. So if you have liked this video and if you have any questions around it or doubts around it, you can post it in the comment box, and I'll be very open, and I'll be going through them and I'll be answering those questions with ease. Also, just to let you know, if you're not there in my personal VIP Digital Coach Mastermind Facebook group, you can personally message me, or you can find it on the Facebook and you can join it, where you will get access to similar videos wherein I'll be talking about digital products, how to create, how to get more customers, how to create multiple sources of revenue income, and how to become an expertise and create authority in the market. Okay, great.